This pasta recipe is super quick and easy to make. You only need one pan. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Let's start by slicing one big onion, then set it aside. Using a grater, grate a carrot. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for watching us. We're super curious. When the carrot has been grated, drizzle some oil in a pan on medium heat. Put both the onion and the carrot inside. Keep stirring for 2 minutes to sauté the two ingredients. In the meantime, cut 500 grams of chicken breast into small dices. If you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. Then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us greatly. Add the diced chicken into the pan together with the onion and carrot. Keep mixing for 2 minutes to pan fry the chicken. You guys, this recipe is super easy to follow and it's ready in a few minutes. Try it at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. Now add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix well. Spice it up with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 100 ml of water. Mix well. If you don't like some of those spices, skip them or add something you like better. Cover the pan with the lid and leave the chicken to cook for 7 minutes on minimum heat. Then take the lid off and add 300 grams of macaroni pasta. Also add 500 ml of water. Do not pour it all together. First some, to help with mixing. Then pour the rest. Now cover again with the lid and leave it to cook for just 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, you'll notice the water has evaporated, turning into a creamy sauce. It needs to look like this. If you want to, you can add some mozzarella cheese. It will taste delicious. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I'm going to now check and thank you for your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.